Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Roblox Gamepass. We will start by navigating to your Creator Hub dashboard, which is the central place for managing your experiences. First, ensure you have an existing experience or game to attach your new Game Pass to. This step is crucial, as a Game Pass must always be linked to a specific experience. We will then proceed to configure its basic properties, like its name and image, setting a strong foundation for your in-game product. Before making your Game Pass, you absolutely need an existing experience on Roblox. Once logged into your account, head to the Creator Hub, easily found under the Create section. From there, locate your desired game within My Experiences on the dashboard. Click on your game, and then find the associated items menu on the left side. This is where you will manage all the items linked to your game, including our new Game Pass, ensuring everything is organized and accessible. Now let's design the Game Pass itself. Under Associated Items for your game, choose Game Passes and then click the Create a Pass button. First, upload an eye-catching image. This visual is the first thing players will see. Next, give your Game Pass a clear, exciting name, perhaps VIP Access or Mega Sword perk. Finally, write a brief, engaging description explaining exactly what players will gain, making them eager to purchase your new item. With your Game Pass designed, it's time to set its price and make it available. Click on your newly created Game Pass to open its specific configuration page. You will see a toggle switch labeled Item for Sale. Activate this to on. Then, enter your desired price in Robux. Remember, Roblox retains 30% of each sale, so factor that into your pricing strategy. A common Game Pass might sell for 50, 100, or even 500 Robux, depending on its value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.